The 2026 Toyota Prius enters the year with a quiet confidence. It's not trying to prove itself. It already did that. Bold, innovative, effortless. Prius has always been known for its eco-warrior status, and for 2026, this hybrid icon continues that sustainable sensibility in a package that reimagines what a hybrid can be. Prius ignited the hybrid revolution, and as hybrids once again seize the spotlight, this award-winning latest generation continues to lead the way. This Prius is not about what it saves, but what it offers. Design that turns heads, tech that feels one step ahead, and a spirited hybrid powertrain. Aerodynamic? Always. But now, it's drop-dead sleek. The 2026 Prius wears a low-slung silhouette with coupe-like lines, a sharply defined nose, a light signature that wraps clean across the rear, and available 19-inch wheels that give off functional chic. LED lighting front and back ensures it's as visible as it is visionary, and its available fixed glass roof creates a personal space capsule feel. Plus, Prius has an available power liftback that gives easy access to the trunk. Want to up the intensity? The Prius Nightshade Grades adds a dramatic blackout appearance. With black exterior badges, door sills, front door handles, bumper trim, and shark fin antenna. And the Grade finishes out the look with 19-inch black alloy wheels and an exclusive available Karashi exterior color. Step inside and discover a cabin that's clean, minimal, and feels more like a lounge than a daily commuter. This modern machine features an innovative 7-inch top-mount digital gauge cluster and soft-touch surfaces meeting ambient lighting for a polished, premium vibe. Available features like a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated and ventilated front seats, and heated outboard rear seats boost comfort to stratosphere status. Plus, the standard Qi-compatible wireless charger and 6 USB-C ports are designed to help keep devices powered up on the road. Feeling sporty? The Nightshade Grades black fabric trimmed seats and gray stitching and carbon fiber detail on the dash add an athletic touch. The hybrid setup has grown up too. Generating up to 196 horsepower, it delivers smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and yes, available all-wheel drive. A plug-in hybrid version is also available for those who want to maximize electric driving, with an EV-only mode ideal for daily commutes. Like the first Prius that pioneered the path for hybrids, the 2026 model offers impressive efficiency with an up to EPA estimated 57 miles per gallon combined rating. Responsibility meet performance. Comfort and handling mix and mingle with the McPherson strut, front and multi-link rear suspension. Plus, the available electronic on-demand all-wheel drive system adds extra confidence in all kinds of driving conditions. Inside, Prius works in ultimate harmony with smartphones. The Toyota Audio Multimedia platform includes wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcast, and music subscriptions. Wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. Voice Assistant? Smart. Navigation? Cloud-based. Digital key capability available on select models is just one more way Prius stays ahead of the curve. The Toyota Audio Multimedia system has a standard 8-inch or available 12.3-inch touchscreen. Plus, there's a standard 3-month Sirius XM trial that includes over 165 channels available in cabin, and even more on the Sirius XM app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Select grades also include trials to Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. And the available 8-speaker JBL premium audio system, including subwoofer and amplifier, brings crisp, immersive sound that makes every playlist hit differently. Every grade comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Add the standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert and safe exit alert are designed to help bring added reassurance behind the wheel. All this adds up to the kind of protection that works quietly in the background, like the best kind of co-pilot. Want more? Prius adds available features like front and rear parking assist with automatic braking, advanced park, and the panoramic view monitor, which are designed to help maneuver through those tight spaces. Stylish, capable, tech-savvy, and unapologetically future-facing. It's the Prius for people who still care about the planet, but also want to arrive looking like they belong in a sci-fi short film. Every Prius includes Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, of scheduled maintenance and 3 years unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance. It's also backed with a hybrid system warranty that covers select components for 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, and a 10-year or 150,000-mile battery warranty, whichever comes first. Impressively intelligent, daringly dynamic. The 2026 Prius. Explore more at toyota.com.